How to find general settings on Hubspot, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find general settings on Hubspot, easy and quick. First open your browser, and now once you're here, click this icon in the top corner, and now click general, and here we'll find your general settings. Now just scroll down until you find here this one here. You can change language if you want, and then click save, and that's it, it will be saved. Just wait and then click this icon in top corner, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.